Hey guys, sorry I'm not there today. Me and Wyatt, we both have strep, so we are home for the next day and a half. I will be back Wednesday, Thursday for your crime scene, so don't worry. We'll still be able to do that. Um, Thought this might be easier than leaving a big long writing thing of instructions for you. So, what I have pulled up here are your slides for the day. This is Blood Day 6. So, if you can pull that off of Google Sites, that would be great. Um, so, you're going to be creating some blood spatter today, like the ones that are all over my cabinets. And you're going to be using red paint and this little cardboard set up with a binder clip to help you do that. You're going to be making 6 types of spatter today, and you'll make each one on a separate piece of paper. So everybody in the class needs to make their own set of all 6 of these patterns. First one's 90-degree drops. You have a little plastic pipette dropper to do this, so steady yourself with your elbows and make some individual drops. Try that from different heights. The higher you go, the more satellites that are going to form on there. So you can see those. High velocity spatter, you're going to have a toothbrush. I don't have one. But you're going to take your finger and flick the bristles of the toothbrush like this to create those little tiny speckles of spatter that you would see with a gunshot wound, high velocity. Arterial spurting, what I don't want you to do is make a nice little neat line at the top of your page and let it drip down. In one of your cups, you're going to have a plastic syringe. Put some paint in there, hold it at an angle to your paper, and squirt that paint. So you should have a biggish blob of blood that then drips down. You might have to wait a minute or two to let it drip down the page. Smears, you can kind of do what you want with. Cast off on my desk at the front, there's a big cardboard box with some fake weapons in it. Pick one of those, put some paint on it, and you'll have to slice or swipe. So cast off should have those streaks kind of in there somewhere. So you can make some cast off with a weapon of your choice. And then you'll make a trail. So I've kind of been judging who comes up with the most creative blood trail. There are laminated blue sheets of paper on the floor. You can use handprints, footprints. You can smear your fingers on it. But it has to be long enough for you to follow. So at the end of the day, you're going to have 6 photos of each of your types of spatter, 6 photos total. And there's questions to answer about each one. You'll find the answers in the notes, so you can reference your PDF notes at any time if you need to. So make sure you answer the question, put in the picture, and add a caption. So if it's 90 degrees, caption it 90 degrees, or whatever it is. That's pretty much it. It's straightforward, but you are working with red paint today, so make sure that you are very careful. It will stain your clothes. So make sure you know what you're doing before you start to do it. There are detailed instructions on the lab tables for each of the 6 types of spatter. That kind of tells you what materials to use and how to go about making that. So reference that. Turn this in before you leave. I'll see you on crime scene day. And if you guys could think about who you want to be on your team for crime scene day, that would be great. Teams of 5 or less would be awesome. 6 is too many. 5 is okay. And I'll see you guys whenever I get back. Have a good Tuesday.